Written on screen. Vision Aid Spoken English Program for Beginners.
I am Bangaru. I have completed the SCP program. Welcome to our convocation.
The SCP program provides a gamified environment to the learners. Learners have defined rules that they willingly follow. They have specific goals that they work for, and the entire program was presented to them as a mission with 7 levels. Another important part of the gamified program was that every learner action was acknowledged and praised either by fellow learners or by the instructors. The SCP pilot has been quite an extraordinary journey. Here are the learners themselves telling us their experience of the levels. By the end of level 1, learners could introduce themselves and express why they want to improve their spoken English.
I am Ashutosh Singhal from Delhi. I am doing political science honors from Shyamlal College. I am the only boy among 8 dozen girls. English is a global language. English has made an important part in our day-to-day life. Even if we want to travel in our own country, we should know how to speak English frequently. Therefore, I joined the SCP class.
I am the Golden Girl Bangaru from Mulugu district, Telangana state. I am studying in inter second year. I joined the spoken English program organized by Vision Aid because to be able to speak in English confidently and fluently. My dream is to travel all parts of the world. Now I am able to communicate with others in English fluently. Therefore, I joined the SCP program.
I am Bhavani. I am studying in inter second year with CSA group. I am from Odala Mandal, Peddapalli district, Telangana state. I joined SCP program organized by Vision Aid. Before I joined this program, I don't know English. I have lots of stage fear. After joining this program, I am able to speak English fluently. Among this, I don't have stage fear also.
I am Navya from Chaitanyapuri, Hyderabad. I am studying in inter first year. I joined the SCP program organized by Vision Aid to improve English vocabulary and speak fluently in English. I wish you to improve spoken English skills so that I can fulfill my dream of becoming a successful lawyer.
I am Sweet Srilekha. I am studying 10th class. I am from Rangashayapet village, Warangal urban district, Telangana state. My dream is to become a lawyer. That's why I joined this SCP program organized by Vision Aid to learn to communicate with others in English. Now I can speak fluently and confidently in English.
In level 2, learners understood the rules and procedures of the entire course.
In the SCP program, we follow with many rules and procedures. Among them, my favorite rule is we should praise and support each other. If we didn't have this rule, we wouldn't be able to support each other. Because of this rule, everybody gets help, encouragement and motivation.
I am Chan Chandana. I am from Nagarkarnool district. I am studying in 10th class. In this program, we have many procedures. My favorite procedure is group activity because it helps us participate in a group. I learn in a group, have fun in the group. When my group come participate, I feel very happy.
My name is Nikita. I am from Hyderabad. I am a commerce graduate. I learn many rules. My favorite rule is we should speak always in English.
My name is Rameshwari. I am studying in 10th class. I am from Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh state. Please sit in a quiet place.
My name is Shama. I live in Delhi, nearby Red Fort. I study in undergraduate BA program in second year from Zakir Hussain College. Listen carefully when others is speaking.
I am Sunrise Sandhya from Medak district, Telangana state. I am studying in inter second year. I joined the SCP program organized by Vision Aid because I was afraid to speak in English with others. I used to shiver, but now I have overcome my fear. Now I am able to speak in English confidently with others. My favorite rule is we should praise and support each other. My favorite procedure is answering procedure.
In level 3, learners understood how to talk about themselves and their near and dear along with likes and dislikes.
I am Hamar Fatima. I am from Hyderabad. I am studying in 9th class. I am the youngest student in the SCP program. I can now discuss about my family with others. I can speak about their likes and dislikes.
My name is Shailaja. I am studying in 10th class. I am from Alimpur village, Jedingam district, Telangana state. Through this program, I learnt more things. I can tell about my family's likes and dislikes, mother's likes, my father's likes, my brother's likes. I am include my little pet also. Likes and dislikes. Thank you, Vijayaned.
I am Vaishnavi, studying inter first year. I am from Chattakadim village, Sangareddy district, Telangana state. In this SCP program, I learnt many things.
In levels 4, 5, and 6, learners explored various learning outcomes such as exploring the surroundings, asking for directions, conducting routine inquiries and bookings, and responding to emergencies.
Through this program, I learned to describe my family and friends to others and online booking, and also describe directions and seasons.
Through this program, I learned how to prepare resume.
Spoken English program enabled me to make telephone bookings, online shoppings. I can now book a railway train ticket, and I can create an account, and I can book a doctor's appointment. In the case of an emergency, I can call 112. I can explain the problem to them.
Now I am able to speak with police about emergency.
Through the SCP program, I learned to handle the emergencies and ask for help during an emergency.
Through the SCP program, I learned important skills such as booking a railway ticket, making an inquiry to join the program, online shopping, doctor appointment, etc.
In this level, learners understand the importance of feedback and validation and become proficient in giving and receiving them. Here is what the learners think about each other, the teachers, and the program.
Tip top notch.
Stupendous! Yo!
Top notch, terrific.
Marvelous and then precocious, outstanding performance SCP program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Phenomenal, extraordinary.
I love this program. Enthusiastic, remarkable.
Beautiful, fantastic.
Excellent, incredible, top notch, outstanding.
Incredible, extraordinary.
Marvelous, fantastic.
Wonderful and great. Excellent.
Fabulous, awesome,
Fantastic and extraordinary.
We asked our learners for feedback on the program and on their experiences. We do not have time to show you all of their videos, but here are a few of them.
Suja ma'am is an exceptional teacher. She helps us not even in class but after class also. Justin sir is a very polite teacher. Pooja ma'am is a top-notch Jayanti ma'am. Jayanti ma'am is an ex-scientist of DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Akash sir is an excellent teacher. He has so much knowledge about the world.
With vision problem by teaching English is a great help to our life.
Teachers and friends support each other.
I enjoyed a SCP program.
Teachers are praising every time so that we can achieve our goals easily. Thank you, Vijayaned.
SCP program is very useful for us because we are learn spoken English fluently.
Attitude attracts opportunities.
Don't compare yourself with others because you are unique.
Speak till you succeed.
With the best teachers and students, we have accomplished our mission.
Hope you enjoyed our students talking in English. We have 2 more programs at the moment running in 2 different places for spoken English training, and in 2021 I hope this is going to only increase, and this being a very essential program for students, I expect this program will stay for decades to come. On behalf of our enthusiastic students, excellent teachers and myself, I thank Raman Velan for having been there with us at every step of the program. Thank you.
Mission 007.
Yo!
Thank you all from the Vision 8 family.